This is why you should exercise in your golden years. So when we're getting older, our cells are naturally going to dehydrate, whether you're drinking water or not. So with that lack of fluid movement, your cells are going to become inflamed and it's going to cause pain. Once we start exercising, we're pushing around all that fluid and we're going to get out of pain. So there are a few exercises in particular that can help with different things. So if you're worried about osteoporosis or have osteopenia, you want to do a lot of strength exercises. This can be as simple as going bowling and lifting the bowling ball. It doesn't have to be in the gym. If you're worried about heart health, cardio is what you want to do. So even just a 30-minute walk out your front door every day can really help that. If you're worried about mobility or have arthritis, then you want to start moving your joints. So things like dancing or even gardening can really help with your joint movement. And if you are worried about diabetes or have diabetes, definitely look at your nutrition and start to move. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends, and I will see you on the next one.